Hello guys, I am Hans Kevin Nueca and my topic is person culture. Introduction to person culture. Introduction to person culture. The person culture is an organizational culture where the individual's identity and interests are prioritized over the organization as a whole, and key focus emphasizes personal freedom, individuality, and self-fulfillment. Relevance, common in professional organizations like law firms, consulting firms, and universities. The characteristics of person culture. Characteristics of person culture: autonomy. Employees have high degree of independence and control over their work. Equality, less hierarchical, and all members are considered equal and have a say in any decision making. Creativity, encourages innovation and personal growth. Flexibility, adaptable and can quickly change direction based on individual input. Advantages of person culture. Employee satisfaction, high levels of job satisfaction and motivation due to personal empowerment. Innovation, fosters a creative environment where new ideas can flourish. Retention, attracts and retains top talent who value independence. Collaboration, promotes a collaborative and supportive work atmosphere. Challenges of person culture. Coordination can lead to difficulties in coordination and alignment of efforts. Decision making. Consensus-based decision making can be slow and cumbersome. Conflict. Potential for conflicts arising from differing individual priorities. Scalability. May struggle with scaling as the organization grows and requires more structure. Implementing person culture. Leadership. Leaders must foster an environment of trust and autonomy. Communication. Open and transparent communication channels are essential. Support systems. Provide resources and support for individual development. Balance. Find a balance between individual freedoms and organizational goals.